IzAlyssa. You look so surprised. Fuck yeah, I ordered all of these shots. This is an average Monday for me. I just wanna black out. Black out. One. Two. Three. On my way up. 4. 5. 6. Annihilate. Yo, shut the fuck up. No, I'm not gonna slow down. More like you speed up. I just wanna black out. Black out. 7. 8. 9. I'm on my way. 10. 11. 12. Annihilate. Down to my last 2 brain cells. I'm gonna black out. I'm so yeah. I'm so blacked out. And